Welcome to Microsoft Excel What If Analysis. I'm Dr. Z Yang. We are using Excel's What If Analysis function to demonstrate how we use a decision support system for decision making purpose. For What If Analysis, we have three tools: data table, scenario manager, and goal seek. For data table, we have two kinds of data table. We can examine the impact of one variable or two variable input. So this is the input cell, one variable or two variable, and then we can see the result cell. The input, the impact of input cell on result cell. Alright. Then now we are using this data file provided for demonstration. In your Excel, please open the data file, income statement. Okay, we have this one. Okay, and then our goal, we aim to examine the impact, right? The impact of different average number of customers per day on the impact of different average number of customers per day on total revenue, total expense, and less income. Okay, now in the income statement file, right? We type this revenue, expense, and net income. E5, right? Okay, these are the label, the heading, and then we enter the formula. For D6, we put okay, then we have this. These are B7, B28, B29, and B30. Okay, now we select what variable we are using. We are using this. These are our variable. This variable as a single input. Okay, this number, B7, and then now we put D7. We put 30. And then D8, we put 32, and then we highlight this two, D7, D8, drag down to D22. Okay, so this 30, 32, 34, an increment of 2. And then now we come to the name box. We put D6 colon G22, enter. So we select this. The input cell is B7, and we will fill up this. These are the outputs, the result cell, right? So we click data tab in the ribbon, and then we click What If Analysis. We select data table. In the column input, the column input cell, we put B7 and click OK. Then we have all this data, right? These are the result cell. So okay, this is how we manage the one variable data table. Then what about two variable data table? Two, right? Two. We try to use a two input. Suppose we want to investigate the impact of a fee charge to each customer, one variable, and then average number of customers per day, the second variable, second input variable, the impact on what, on the net income of the company. So the result cell, right? So we have two variable table. Okay. Then we follow this. We go to slide 16. On the same worksheet, we enter the name box D7 colon D22. And then we right click the mouse, copy, and then come to D26. D26. We paste, right? Paste. So we paste this, right? And then in cell E25, we put the label. We put 40 and 45. Right, now we select the range. We put a E25 colon F25. So we select these two, and then we drag the handle, the field handle to K25. Right, so 40, 45, and then 50, 55, 60, 65 to 70, right? So we have an increment of 5. Okay, then we come to slide 17. Cell D25 here, we type equal B30. Okay, this the result cell. The result cell, right? This the result cell actually. Okay, so we right click D25, right click, right? We select format cell, and then we click the number button. Okay, number button, and select custom in the list, and then we type in the tab taskbar. We change it, delete the content, and we put quotation mark, customer. Okay, then we click OK. So become customer, right? I'm just highlighting for your attention, right? We have customer. Then that means we are now in slide 18. Slide 18 here, right? We put customer here, right? Okay. Then in cell E24, okay, we put the heading. We type B per customer, enter, and then we select E24 colon K24, right? And then we right click the mouse and select this button, merge and center, right? Then we put D25 colon K41. Okay, include the input cell and result cell. Then we click data. We click data, and then we click what if analysis. We choose data table. Then in the row input, we put B11, and then the column input cell, we put B7. So two variables, right? So you can see B11 is the fee per customer, right? B7 is the average number of customer per day, so two variables. Then we click OK. Okay, then fill all, right? You can see all this. You want to highlight the negative number, you can put like this. Click the mouse, format cell, number. I don't want decimal point. I put this, so you can see, right? The negative. Right here, the same. You click the mouse, format cell, number. Okay, right? This here. Okay, then we can save. Click save button. Then we close the file. We close the file, right? Close it. Okay, now we come to the second tool of what if, right? We are using scenario manager. It can handle what? It can handle up to 32 variables, right? Data table can handle either 1 or 2 variables, but scenario manager can handle up to 32 variables. Scenario, that means different cases. But in data table, they can handle 1 or up to 2 cases, right? But there are 2 variables. And then now we can see we have this table, right? We will create scenario 1 low season, scenario 2 regular season, scenario 3 high season, and we are supposed to input this data. Okay, remember this is line 25. Okay, now we open the file. Open the file, income statement, right? Okay, then we, in the name box, we put A1 colon B30. Okay, we put this one, and then we click copy, and then we go to sheet 2. We simply click the mouse and paste, right? We don't want the highlight. Okay, so leave it like this. Okay. Okay, then we select the range. Okay, we in the name box. Then we put what? We put A7 colon B7 comma A11 B11 A21 B22 comma A28 B30. So we have this, right? A7 B7, A11 B11, A21 B22, A28 B30. And then we click formula. We click create from selection. We choose left column. Okay, we did this one, and then we come to this line. Okay, we click data. Data, and then what if analysis. We choose a scenario manager, and then we start to add the scenario. Right? I have only 3 scenarios here. Actually, we can up to more than 30. Right? So I put here the first scenario, low season. Low season. Okay. And then in the change cells, right? I put B7, B11, and B21 colon B22. These are the input cell, right? And then in the comment, I put here. I can type this projected profit assuming a low season. Right, projected profit assuming a low season. I click prevent change. Click OK. Right, so we are going to input the parameter for low season. This one we put a 40. Tab. Then we put a 50. Then 25,000 and 75,000. We click 7,500. Okay, these are 25,000. Okay, then we put OK. So we created scenario 1 low season, and then we continue to create the second scenario. We add this the regular season. Then we put follow the step 27 and 28. We add the scenario. Okay, and then continue to add another 2 scenario. We put here copy, and then we put a paste here. We change it to regular season. And then we change the value 50, 60, 25,000, and then we put 95,000. Correct. Okay, so the regular season, and then we add another high season. Okay. We get a high season. Right. Then we put 55, 65, 50,000. Okay, we have this, right? So we already create 3 scenarios using 3 sets of variables, and then we click summary. The summary, we in the result cell we put B 28, comma B 29, comma B 30. We click OK. So we have this summary, right? We have this summary. So exactly the one shown in the slide. The slide 32, right? Okay. Then we save it and close this one. Now we come to the final one, or the third tool. Goal set is simple. We try to determine the value of a single input that will provide the desired result. So we set the result first, this expected result, and then we want to try to find the value of the input to have that expected result. Okay, now assuming we have the net income, we aim to have the net income of 90,000, right? And then we want to check how much should we charge to each customer, right? We assume other variable, other unchanged, right? That means a set purpose in economic term, right? So we want to have that. Yes, we aim to get 90,000. So how much should we charge this customer, right? So we open the income statement file again. Open income statement file. Then we go to sheet 2, right? Sheet 2. We click data, what if, and goal seek, right? For the set cell, we put B30 is the net income, right? And then the to value box, we type 90,000, and then by changing cell, that means how much should we charge for every customer. We put B11, so you see B30, the net income, right? The set cell, and the set cell, right? And then to value, this we aim to have 90,000. By changing cell, we want B11, right? Changing, right? Changing. Right, sorry. We check again. If goes it, right? This is B30 net income. To value, this is the aim. We want 90,000 by changing cell. Cell is B11, right? Fee per customer, so I put B11. Then the result will be displayed in cell B11. We try to see it, right? Okay. So goal seeking cell, right? Find solution, right? This is what we want to get. So we try to see the result. So the result will be 61.33 per customer. So it's calculated, right? That's the result of goal seeking. In order to have a net income of 90,000, we have to charge each customer 91.33 each. That's all. Thanks.